Okay guys, just a quick update with Bitcoin. I'm going to give you some key price targets to pay attention to. I'm also going to cover this chart. It looks like, well, I'll get back to this chart, guys. I'm going to show you how some of these other charts played out. By the way, if you did watch yesterday's video, I did two videos. This is the one where I was talking about Bitcoin well number 3. Asset they sell 0.618 Bitcoin. And damned if I didn't come back to this website, hit refresh, and look at this, March 15th, 0.618. I was totally shocked to see that. So I guess he has been following some of my TA. Again, my jaw dropped when I saw that. So anyways, let's get on to the video before that. So if you'll notice, I gave you guys. I'm just kidding. I edited the HTML. He didn't make any. He didn't sell anything. I just wanted to mess with you. All right, guys. So let's get on to this. So this is the video I put up before the same day. I was giving you price targets. Said your resistance above was 39,718, and your support was 37,906. This is a C1 BG chart. Take note, this white line up top and this white line below. You can see what happened. We pushed up right to this white line. We got a wick above it. We got two perfect touches right here. So 39,776. You can see that's right here. 39,718. It's an angle, depends when you hit it. And then we came down. We didn't quite make it, but I said your support was down here at around 37,900. You can see we did come down, find support, and we pushed up. I will give you your support and resistance levels, guys. This was the same video. I'll put a link up this video now if you want to check it out. But I said, look on the H1 chart. If you push up, your resistance is 39,630 and your support is 39,243. And you can see how this played out. We pushed up and we got rejected. We did get a wick above. You see the meter candle is right down here at this white line, 39,656. And we came down and we did, guys, what I say when you trade, sometimes it will drop below. If it doesn't stop right at it, wait till it drops below, pushes back up, and then enter your long. But you can see those both played out perfectly. You had your resistance above, and you had your support below. Hold on, guys. Probably spam call coming in. Yep. So just want to show you that played out, guys. 39,630. So just showing you the accuracy of these charts. You know, you had an ideal point to short right here, 39,650, and an ideal point to put in a long. And you can see currently we're getting rejected right here. So I'll come back and give you price targets on these charts. This is a C1 chart. Notice we found support right here. But what I'm going to cover, guys, is this G1 chart. So again, I'm telling you that this is our resistance right here, and this is our support, this ring right here. So by the time we get to the apex, I'm expecting, well, before we get to the apex, I'm expecting a big move. So this is going to play out one of two ways. If we stay before, you see this trend line I have right here, this is currently our resistance. If we stay below this trend line, and we break below, right here is around 36,874. If we break below that point, that's an expected capitulation to begin. Notice we found support back here at 34,589. At any point we break this ring, go back and watch the previous few videos. I've covered this. But if we do stay below this trend line right here, right? If we stay below this and we break this point right here, again, I expect capitulation to begin. And I gave you those bottom targets in previous videos. If we do hold support, right, which is very possible, hold support around 36,932, around that area. If we break above this resistance, come back to support, it's very possible you could push up at least to 42,192 or 42,194, depending on you make contact. But once we break, let me grab my thing here. Once we break, once we push up to this point, again, if we broke to the upside, that would be bullish, but I think once we get to this point, we'll get rejected. So if we break above this yellow trend line, it is very possible to push back up to resistance around 42,000, and from that point, guys, just what's going on, I think it's more likely we'll come back down, and then I think we will break this. And again, I'm just guessing how this price is going to play out, just letting you know. If we get above 42,000, that is bullish. But I think it's likely if we do get above this trend line, we will test 42,000, come back down, and at some point we will break this this orange ring, which will trigger the capitulation. And again, I gave you that target. I think it was late May, early June, around 14,000. That's still what I'm expecting. So let me give you some price targets, guys. So again, you can see that this is your resistance currently. This is the C1 BG chart. This is charted for the Big Get Exchange. By the way, if you want to use my Big Get affiliate link, that'll be pinned in the first comment description. So your current support below, actually your current support right now is 38,625. Your support below that is 38,110, and you will have very strong support down here around 37,288. If you do get above 39,000, you can see that we found resistance right here. We will find resistance here again around 39,885. Keep in mind, this will now be resistance as well. Depends if we push straight up, it would be 39,868, but this will be resistance as well, guys. I do update these charts as price moves along, so pay attention to this trend line as well. Let's see, let's go to the H1 chart. You see currently we're getting rejected right here. This is very strong resistance at 38,978. If you come back down, your support is now 38,309. As I mentioned in that previous video, guys, your first support level below is 37,498. The support that needs to hold is right down here. This is why I'll be going on a heavy long at 36,258. If we push up, your next resistance to watch is right here, 39,695. On the C1 chart, you see we did hold support right here at 38,332. We are above resistance. This is now support at 38,675. And if we push up, notice we have been respecting this moving average right here. We hit this at 39,898. That will be resistance as well, wherever it might be. If we do get above that, you have double resistance right here, guys. We've got a fib channel line in this direction, and we have this fib channel line here. So this will be very strong resistance right here. So if we push up, great point to put in a short, 40,412. If we drop, guys, your next support is 38,375, and then you will catch support. Notice we found support here. So your next support level right here is 37,344. And your next support level below that will be 36,421 down to 35,000, well, basically 36,000. And there are the other support levels and resistance levels to watch. But guys, that's pretty much it. Just pay attention. If you do have access to the charts, make sure you load up the G1 chart and the M1 chart. I still believe how this is going to play out, guys. Again, if we stay below this resistance level and we break this point right here, which is right around 36,893, again, I believe that's when the capitulation begins. And it is very possible we potentially can come down, hold support. If we break above this point, we could push up to around 42,000. I do not think we'll go above that point, and then we'll come back down. And then when we break 38,671, capitulation begins. But guys, that's it. From access these charts, websites opticorpcrypto.com. Link to pin first comment in description. And again, if you use my BitGet affiliate link, that will be pinned in the first comment description as well. Guys, that's it. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.